To activate and use voice typing in Motorola Moto G86 5G, first of all, we'll need to open a settings on our device. Next step is to move all the way down and select System. Go for Keyboard, on-screen keyboard, Gboard. Here find voice typing. Make sure that the voice typing is active. Another step is to select languages and make sure that you have a language that you're gonna voice type with active and around here. Now when you have that everything done, all you have to do is click on any text pool so you can actually write, and here to make the text to speech, you need to click on the microphone button, allow permission, and say whatever you want. In this case it's in Polish, so, or actually it detected English, so it's fine, and as you can see it translates everything to the text. So that is basically everything. Thanks so much for watching, and if you like this video please consider subscribing.